a Harris hawk. It has developed special techniques for hunting amongst the cacti. Ground squirrels prey. At the first sign of danger, they bolt for the safety of the thorns. But the hawks have a tactic to flush them out. These are the only birds of prey that hunt in packs. Flying in formation, they try to drive their quarry into the open. But this squirrel is staying put. So now the hawks continue the hunt on foot. They're closing in from all sides. Soon, all escape routes are cut off. The squirrel is trapped.